How to type the math problems manually in PhotoMath app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After you've installed the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. You don't need to log in or sign up for your account. It will directly open up your camera. From here, you can scan the mathematic problems directly. If you want to type the math problems manually, over here in the bottom left, you can see the calculator option. Tap on it. It will open up the calculator for you. Here you can type your math problems manually. For example, so there you go. That's how you can type in the math problems, and it will show you the solutions instantly. If you want to see the detailed solution, tap on the Show Solution option and tap on the Show Solving Steps. Over here, you'll find the step-by-step solutions. So that's it. It's a very easy process to type in the math problems manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.